It's the zookeeper people. We hustling right now. Different hustles, if you will. We got a situation here, circumstance that calls. We got a brief, we got a motion, we got a memo of law, we got a declaration, we got an affidavit in support of amended complaint, motion reopened, motion for reconsideration of issues presented for IFP appeal to 7th Circuit Court of Appeals, District Court in the United States District Court for the Western District of Wisconsin. We got the parties, we got the amended complaint, and we got to get to this situation where we got a situation where we got in re speech 622 Fed Third 697 through 707 Circuit going against Tomey, going against Caberton, going against whether or not Zookeeper is the best lawyer in the world that people ever seen. Knowing that we really ain't gave the Zookeeper a transparent process as we processed the 1983 civil right lawsuit, as we processed Title VI, as we processed Title 10. We thought Zookeeper was kind of retarded, but he come back with something that's really not retarded. And he want to let you know that he know that, you know, unfortunately, that he been through a situation with 3 years. For 3 years, if you want to get to it, we can. We can check CCAP and do all these things. But Zeus say if we do check CCAP, then we gonna see that Chief Judge James Daly, if you will, Rock County Circuit Court Judge, 2010 CF 1301. He kind of did a Zookeeper wrong. He told him he was gonna sanction him the same way the Chief Judge is telling the Zookeeper today, where he had no authority to do so, because the federal statute authority wasn't on their side, but the government had him in position to do so. So as we articulate, stimulate our mind, go on new adventures in the kingdom of God, beyond all the planes of man's ideas for your lifestyle, what you should be, what you should not be in the kingdom of God. We just ask you to pause for a minute and let's get to the bottom of what really happened. We had a situation where the judge felt like he could bully the Zookeeper, and he made Zookeeper sit down in the cell for years, dwelling on why Judge just wasn't treating him right. And as we think about these things, we want to see what happened today. Zeus say on December 13th, Chief Judge James D. Peterson, federal courthouse judge, come up with an idea that he could judge his own lawsuit. And we don't never want the judge to do so, especially knowing that it's been years worth of damage done in a case, and you play like you're non-biased. We want to get down to the bottom of the bottom. We're looking at CCAP. We rapping. We got a guilty plea here. We got charges dismissed but read in. We got cocaine possession. We got so many things. But what we want to get to is the Court of Appeals victory. As Zookeeper say, he and he won. You know, and the people tried to hide the transcript from him. Stop. They tried to hide the transcript. They tried to hide the transcript from Zookeeper. And when a court go to hide transcripts, it's got to be something delicate. So we want to figure out what happened. It's And we want to see what happened here. It is what the circuit court decision is summarily vacated and the cause remanded to trial. And Zeus say, same situation here. We got a situation. A judge felt like he was above the law. Same thing. Chief Judge James Daly did. And Zeus say he kept working, and the people thought he was goofy, and he just kept working and kept working. And we see how many times he denied the motion before he granted it. It was just denied, 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 denied. And we got another situation where the zookeeper say he got a hell of a situation here. 26 lawsuits in it. And it seemed like they thought he forgot what he went through when he was subjected to illegal. Oh my! They talked dirty to Zookeeper. Let's see if we can get it right here. This decision. Uh, and if we lock it in on 12/1/2015, the judge just kept saying it was frivolous. Everything the zookeeper kept going. Then we had to get a transcript. We had to do this. We had to do that. And then we want to shout out Wani J. Joa. And we want to notate that Zookeeper say he has destroyed Wani in court on several occasions. But for some reason, we got this chief in play in the federal court, and he feel like that he is above the law. So we want to make sure that we understand what really happened, as we understand the happenings of happenings. We had a man that really knew the law, subjected to some things that was outside the law. We're talking about illegal sanctions, invalid processes. And Zeus say he know about all the process, and he also know about the employment contracts that people must abide by when they say they take an oath and swear to tell the truth, nothing but the truth, so help them God in their job performances. So Zookeeper say he working. Some people might think he retarded, but he know what he can do. And if you don't know what you can do, then you need to back up. But Zeus say he been beaten in court by himself for years, since 2019, since 2000 this and 2000 that, 2008, 1997, 19, and now we're in a situation where the people has declared Zookeeper retarded, mentally ill, not able to read and write. So we got to post these things on YouTube because the people then got outrageous with the allegations they have made about the Zookeeper. I know exactly what you need today. You need some awareness. What's really going on in government behind the scenes. Good night, rookies.